Hello, my dear students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn simple past tense negative sentences. Okay, so for this, very first, I'm going to rewind positive sentences of simple past tense, and then after, I will explain how to use did not in negative sentences. So let's get started. Very first, it's really important to understand how many parts of tenses. Yes, so tenses are having three parts: present tense, past tense, and future tense. What is the means of tense? Tense means time. Time can be understood in three ways. First is present tense. Present tense means what is already going on. Yes, जो भी अभी हो रहा है, that is called as present tense. And past is belongs to what is already done. It means जो भी हो चुका है, whatever is already done in the past, that is called as past tense. And what will be the future one? Future tense will be denoted what will happen, जो भी अभी होने वाला है या जो होगा, that is denoted as future tense. So I think it's really very clear to you what are these tenses. So here we are going to start past tense. I have already done simple past tense positive sentences in our last grammar video. Yes, now let's rewind. Simple past tense. The simple past is a verb tense that is used to talk about things that happened or existed before now. Let's redefine it now. We use the simple past to express the idea that an action started and finished at a specific time in the past. We don't have to mention the specific time every time, but we have a specific time in mind. Let's have examples. She studied English. So here we are talking about the past tense. So that's why we change the verb form study to studied. Yes? In the same way, next sentence, James played basketball yesterday. It means we are talking about yesterday, that is बीता हुआ कल. So that's why we have used verbs second form played here. Yes? Let's see the next slide for more clarification. So here, as you can see, two base form verbs are there, love and drink. When we add S form, which is in the present tense, yes, loves and drinks. When we talk about past form, so we should change the verb form as second form of verb like love, loved, and drink become drank. Yes. That is most important thing you have to remember, that you should change the verb's form and it will denote that yes, the sentence will be in the past tense. Let's call Rini to define more.
Fortunately, there is a formula for making simple past verbs negative, and it's the same for both regular and irregular verbs. Formula is did not plus root form of verb. It means the base form of verb. No need to change the form of verb. One more thing, it's important to remember, you can also use the contraction didn't instead of did not. Let's understand how to form past simple tense affirmative first, and then after I will explain negative one. How do we form the past simple? Subject plus verb in past tense plus object. Here we have one example. We ate some lovely pizzas last night. Here you can easily recognize that ate, ate is the second form of the verb eat, eat. Yes? Now let's see how to create negative sentences in past simple. Let's look the formula first. Subject plus did plus not plus verb plus object. Here we have again one example. Jim did not finish his homework. Here you need not to change the form of verb finish. Now let's look the next slide. So let's look this slide very carefully. First column is related to affirmative sentence and the next column negative sentence divided in two parts, long form and short form. Let's look the examples clearly. I walked. It is in the positive sentence. When we change it into negative sentence, it would be like I did not walk. And its short form is I didn't walk. In the same way, you walked. When we change it into the past negative form, it would be you did not walk. And in the short form, you didn't walk. He walked, he did not walk, he didn't walk. She walked, she did not walk, she didn't walk. Next one you can see here, it walked. When we change it into the past negative form, it could be like it did not walk, and its shortened form is it didn't walk. We walked, we did not walk, we didn't walk. You walked, you did not walk, you didn't walk. They walked, they did not walk, they didn't walk. So as you can see, it's really easy to understand that when we change the past simple affirmative sentence into the negative sentence, we need not to change the form of verb, and we can easily copy down the same form of verb and use did not with it. Yes? So I think it's really very clear. Now just open your textbook.
Let's try to understand little more. Read these sentences. The basket didn't fall and eggs didn't break. Second one, Sita didn't sing and Lata didn't dance. In the sentences above, we refer to things that did not happen in the past. Didn't fall, didn't break. We say the basket didn't fall and the eggs didn't break, not the basket didn't fall and eggs didn't broke. So here you can notice that we cannot change the form of verb as fall to fell and break to broke. We directly write down the same base form of verb. Let's do one exercise related to it. So just open page number 118. Let's read the instructions first. Two verbs are given within brackets. Use them in the blanks in the sentences given below. Here we have one example. The police inspector dashed the thief. He did not dash him. So here two verbs are there in the brackets, catch and shoot. So first sentence is related to simple past affirmative sentence. It means positive sentence. So you should change the verb's form as catch to caught. Yes, the sentence will be like that. The police inspector caught the thief. And the next sentence is related to negative sentence. So here you need not to change the form of verb. Directly with did not, you can add simply the base form of verb shoot. So the sentence will be like that. He did not shoot him. In the same way, you have to do all the other points. Okay, so let's start very first one. The children dash all the dry leaves. They did not dash any flowers. So here the children gathered, because it is the affirmative sentence, positive sentence. So you should change it, the second form of the verb, gather, gathered. So the children gathered all the dry leaves. They did not pick any flowers. Here no need to write down pick as picked, because did not is there and it is negative sentence. There we should use the base form of verb pick as same as pick. Yes. The second one. My sister dashed a lot of sweets, but she did not dash them. So, my sister made a lot of sweets, but she did not eat them. I think you all understood. Let's try this third one. The elephant dashed with the child, but he did not dash him. So, the elephant played with the child. We changed the form of verb play to played. Yes, the second one is the negative sentence. So, but he did not hurt him. Okay, now the fourth one. My friend buy a storybook. No, that is wrong. My friend bought a storybook, because buy second form of verb is bought. So here the sentence will be like that. My friend bought a storybook. She did not buy an atlas. I think this exercise is really very easy. if you practice it well, then you are easily able to do these type of exercises. Now let's do the next exercise, which is given in page number 119. In page number 119, you have one more grammatical portion that is going to future time, that I will be explain in the next video. So here in this particular video, I'm going to deal with only did not. Okay, so let's look page number 119. Let's read the instructions fast. Use suitable words from the box below and fill in the blanks in the sentences that follow. So here you can see one help box is there where some words are there like pick up, take off, drive, break and buy. You very first read the sentences, and according to the sentence you should pick up the words and put there in the blanks. Let's try the first one. So here it's very easy. We should not change the form of verb in the first sentence. I called Sheila twice, but she did not pick up the phone. Yes? Now the second one. The robbers did not break into in my house during the night. Next one. Ravi was not feeling well, so he did not drive his car. Fourth one. The plane did not take off because of engine trouble. Now let's do the last one. My friends did not buy any books. They did not have any money. So I think it's really easy to understand. Whenever did not is there, you need not to change the form of verb. You directly use the same form of verb. Yes? I wish you all understood whatever I have explained. If there is any doubt, please ask me in the comment section below. So it's time to note down your homework. Your homework will be revise simple past tense, affirmative and negative exercises. So what you will do, you just write down this exercise in your English notebook. Yes? And try to revise all the rules again. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and keep learning. Thank you. Thanks a lot.